Hello kids, in this video I am going to teach you how to transform from mixed numbers to improper fractions, because as I have told you, mixed numbers and improper fractions are different representations for the same thing. It's like saying or having two names for the same number. So if we begin with the mixed number, you know that there is a big number that represents the complete units that you have in the number, and then you have a fractional part. So what you want to do in this process is to start by multiplying the big number times the denominator of the fraction, and then you are going to make, this is a multiplication, okay, and then you are going to make an addition with the result of this multiplication plus the 5. So let's do it. 2 times 7 is 14, and then you have to add 14 plus 5, that is 19, okay? And finally, the denominator is the same, so you leave the same denominator, which in this case is 7. So 2 and 5 sevenths is the same than 19 sevenths. It's exactly the same number. These are only two different representations for the same thing. Let me show you using graphic representations. Okay, so I am here in this application, which is called Fractions by the page Math Learning Center. You can have a link in the Tools tab of our website. So I am going to represent two complete units and 5 sevenths. So I divide it in 7 parts and I color 5 of them and the two complete units. Okay, so look, this is 2 and 5 sevenths. Now let's make 19 sevenths. So I create an unit divided in 7 and I color 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But as you can see, it's not enough, so I have to make another one, also divided in 7. And I color the rest. We had 7, now it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is not enough yet, so I make another one. We had 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And look what happens if I put them together. It is exactly the same. The color part occupies the same exact region, so these actually are the same number. Let's do it with another example. Let's say that we want to transform 5 wholes and 2/3 to an improper fraction. So remember the process that we did first. We multiply the big number times the denominator, and then we make an addition of that result with the numerator. So let's do it. 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay? Now, what do we have to do? Let's leave the same denominator, which is 3. Okay? So 5 and 2/3 is the same than 17 and 17/3. And that is the way in which you can transform from mixed number to improper fraction.